Hey everyone, hope all of you are doing great. So this is our upcoming project video on Uniswap clone, as we have already discussed. Okay, I'm just making this video to have your feedback about the UI component. Okay, so this is how the Uniswap clone website would look like. Okay, we haven't added any functionality, although the functionality is ready. Okay, so I just want to have your feedback that what are the changes I want to do in this UI component. Is it good, or do I have to add anything extra into this? Okay, so this is our navigation. This is how it will look. We have our logo, we have our menus. Anybody can come and search for the NFT. We have the Ethereum network here, so we can display multiple network here, but I'm just focusing on the Ethereum right now. If anybody click here, you can see a model will get open, and they will have an options to connect with a MetaMask or a Coinbase wallet or a wallet connected. And here we have displaying short descriptions. Okay, and from here they can click, and from here user can come and select and swap the token. So if you want to swap from ether to DAI, so you can do that. Okay, if you click on this ether, you can see we have selected ether. If you come here, if you click on DAI, and we'll have a DAI. Okay, so you can easily able to swap token from DAI to ether or ether to DAI. Okay, and from here you can easily able to do the adjustments. So you can type the percentage of charges you want to take, and from here you can set the deadline timing. And if you can click here, and you can turn off the expert mode. Okay, so this is how the UI component of this application would look like. If you guys really have any suggestions, or if you guys have any idea so we can make this more beautiful, so do leave in the comment section. Okay, it's 100% responsive for all the devices. You can see this is how it will look on a mobile device. If anybody click, they will have the model, and they can connect their wallet. They can come here, and they can easily able to adjust the price and the timing and the model mode. Okay, they can come and they can select the token. If they want to go with the DAI, they can select that. If they want to go with the ether, they can select that. Okay, so this is how this application would look like. We have to add a lot of things, but right now I'm just focusing on swapping the token. Okay, so you can have single swap, you can have multiple swap. Okay, so first we'll focus on the single swap, then we'll move to the multiple swap, and after that we'll move to the liquidity and pool. Okay, so this is the original website of Etherscan. Okay, so if you come here in the token sections, so here you will find all the tokens are listed on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so this is what we're going to define. We're going to fetch all this token data with the help of smart contract. We can do in both way. We can fetch it with the smart contract, or we can use the API of a Chainlink API or Acme API to fetch all this data. Okay, so if you have ether, you can simply transfer your ether into a DAI token and DAI to ether token. Okay, so I just want to have your feedback. Just do let me know that what is it okay to go with this UI component, because for my end it's looking good. And if you guys have any suggestions, any ideas, then do let me know, so we can start gradually building this application. Obviously we have to do a lot of thing into this, because just now we are focusing in one functionality, swapping token. We have to add multiple functionality to this. Okay, so we'll take this gradually, and I hope you guys will have a lot of fun while building this application. Okay, so that's the only thing I want to cover in this video about this application. So do let me know in the comment section that what do you guys think about it, and what are the changes we can do, and what are the improvement we can add into our application. Okay, so let's move to that, and do let me know in the comment section. Have a wonderful day.